Elon has a big dream. He wants to build a company that changes the game. But there's just one problem. He doesn't know how to innovate effectively. Like many businesses, he tries to copy best practices, tweak existing products, and optimize his processes. But that's not enough. The world's most innovative companies, Apple, Disney, and Tesla, follow a radically different strategy. They redefine their industries and break the rules of the game. Before we dive in, hit subscribe for more groundbreaking business insights. For decades, companies relied on in-house R&D teams to drive innovation. But today, the fastest-growing businesses do something different. They don't just invent, they leverage outside talent and restructure entire industries. Disney didn't just make movies, they turned stories into theme parks, merchandise, and Broadway shows. Airbnb didn't just compete with hotels, they created a whole new category of home sharing. The key to winning with innovation? Thinking beyond product development and changing how industries work. Want to apply this to your business? Here are 3 key strategies that the most successful companies use to dominate their industries. 1. Unbundling innovation. Superstar talent isn't always in-house. The best companies bring in outside experts, creators, and partners to develop breakthrough ideas. 2. Expanding scope. Think beyond one product. Leverage innovation across multiple revenue streams like Disney did with The Lion King. 3. Restructuring the market. Don't compete. Change the rules of the game, like Netflix did when it moved from DVD rentals to streaming. Still not convinced? Let's look at some real-world examples of companies that mastered innovation. Apple transformed the smartphone into an ecosystem of apps, services, and accessories. Disney turned movies into multi-billion-dollar franchises. Tesla disrupted the auto industry by eliminating middlemen and selling directly to consumers. These companies didn't just improve their products, they changed the way industries work. So, how can you apply this to your business? Follow these simple steps. 1. Identify your industry's biggest limitations. 2. Look outside for innovative ideas. Think partnerships, freelancers, and external experts. 3. Don't just sell products. Build an ecosystem of experiences, services, and customer engagement. If you apply these principles, you're not just competing, you're leading. And that is how you win with innovation. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more business case studies and strategy insights. Share this with a fellow entrepreneur. Thanks for watching MBA Case Study Books, where business knowledge meets storytelling.